If you are still struggling with how to understand RSI, I'm about to break it down real simple for you guys and show you guys how it's done. So let's get right into it. RSI is a tool that many common traders use in their day-to-day trading, and it represents the relative strength index. Now there's only two numbers that you need to pay attention to when you're looking at your RSI, and it's 70 and 30, and they're located at the bottom right of your RSI tool. Now 70 represents overbought and 30 represents oversold. Now let's get right into it and show you guys what it looks like on an actual chart on the S&P 500s when we're in a channel. So during pre-market, we get well overbought, and representing all that represents is that buyers bought the stock way up too much and there's no more buyers. So then it gets ultimately sold off back down, and look at this, it hits the overly sold button on the pre-market. Now this is pre-market, so there's nothing we can really do, but as soon as market opens, the first 20 minutes you can see that we got overly bought again, and then we sold off all the way back down to the channel, which this time it doesn't hit oversold, but during the next day again overbought one more time and it gets sold off. That's how simple it is. But guys, let's look at something more simple. So this is the Apple right here, and look at this, guys. During pre-market hours, we got overly bought, get downtrended down, sold off to the downside, and then it comes overly sold where people just oversold the stock and now people are ready to start buying it. Not only that, guys, but we get a bullish engulfing right here on that support level, right next to the oversold level, and the volume is coming in, it's kicking in, it's super strong. A lot of buyers are here ready to take this stock back up. And so that's just another entry. There's three reasons why you should enter, and the RSI is oversold, the volume is super strong, and there's a bullish engulfing candle right on that support. So that's just how you can use RSI in your favor to take trades, and it's real simple like that. And if you want to learn more about this, join my Discord and I'll teach you how to do stuff like this.